Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to inaugurate the 2550th Bhagwan Mahavir Nirvan Mahotsav on the occasion of Mahavir Jayanti. Now, the event will be commencing with the Prime Minister releasing a commemorative stamp and a coin. Followed by this will be Prime Minister Modi's address to the gathering at the Bharat Mandapam. Bhagwan Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankar, illuminated the path of peaceful coexistence and universal brotherhood through Jain principles such as non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, chastity and non-attachment. Now, the government in the meantime is honouring the occasion by organising a cultural program at the Bharat Mandapam where saints from the Jain community will also be present. You can in fact see those live visuals on your screen, viewers, coming in from Bharat Mandapam this morning. A large gatherings, numerous saints out there. The 2550th in fact Mahotsav is being commemorated by Prime Minister Modi today itself in the national capital. My colleague Akshat joins us today morning live. Akshat, the 2550th Bhagwan Mahavir Nirvan Mahotsav is in fact being celebrated today. Prime Minister Modi is at the Bharat Mandapam in the national capital. We are getting to know that he will be releasing a commemorative stamp and he will also in fact be releasing a commemorative coin, after which he will address the gathering. Lovely visuals are coming in live from the Bharat Mandapam. What further details can you share with our viewers? We've seen him consistently honouring the Jain community. He's met different saints and has also in fact paid homage to them. What further details can you share about this event that is taking place? Yeah, Akshat, can you hear me? Akshat, can you hear me? I can see you. You're out in the streets of Delhi this morning. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, please take our viewers through what is happening at the Bharat Mandapam.
Well, yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to inaugurate the 2550th Bhagwan Mahavir Nirvan Mahotsav today. And of course, it comes on the occasion of Mahavir Jayanti, which is taking place at Bharat Mandapam right now. He will also be releasing a commemorative stamp and coin, which will be followed by Prime Minister's address to the gathering. And very importantly, if I just tell you that the Prime Minister will will be releasing a commemorative stamp on the occasion of this Mahavir Jayanti only. And when we talk about Bhagwan Mahavir, then he is the 24th Tirthankar who illuminated the path of peaceful coexistence and universal brotherhood through Jain principles such as non-violence, truthfulness, satya, brahmacharya, and non-attachment. And notably, Jains commemorates these of every Tirthankar, including Maghveer Swamiji, and of course others. And today marks on the occasion of the Mahavir Jayanti, the government is honouring the occasion by organising a cultural program at Bharat Mandapam with saints from the Jain community gracing the event.
Indeed, and speaking of the cultural program, it seems that it has started. Let's in fact dip in for a few minutes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.